You are single.
I'm so sorry for shooting this video so late. I know I remember posting this 2-3 weeks back. I want to see what you guys assume about me now that there are almost 1,000 people watching me, and people who have not yet subscribed. I assure you that I will be giving you lit content. Okay? So please make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to watch all the vlogs and challenges. So as usual, we're gonna have the host, Rhythm.
You are drunk almost all the time.
I think, yeah, I am drunk all the time. Definitely looks, if you guys see my vlogs, the assumption is absolutely correct from your perspective. From your POV, it's right, okay? But no, I'm high on food and I'm high on other people's energy, and I just need, so the talkativeness is my drunkenness. Nothing makes sense here, but
You could not sit in an exam or a lecture for 2-3 hours straight because of your ADHD.
I always used to look outside. I was that kid who used to look outside the window, what is happening, oh my god, the teacher, will she shut up and will she not ask me? Yeah. My ADHD was always there since I was small, but my parents thought that I'm just a dumb kid and who doesn't know how to study. And they took me to counselor also, and to my school counselor, that my kid is not scoring that good. Can you make sure? And I don't think my counselor was very nice. She didn't pressurize me, but we didn't know about ADHD that much. But it was really difficult for me to sit at one place. Even right now, you guys can see how fidgetive I am.
Are you gonna cry now?
Oh my god, people should have me so much. But then I said, fuck you guys, and I scored 87 in 10, but don't judge that. I just want to do that to get into the top college of Mumbai. I did, okay? So all you guys need to do is score good percent 10, go to a good college, that's it. Then fuck.
How does that relate to ADHD? What are you talking about?
This is ADHD. You don't know where the topic goes from. This is how our brain
Next
works.
one. You don't show emotions.
I don't understand other people's emotion, but I, as a person, is very emotional. Fulfilled. What the fuck did I say? Fulfilled. I'm a very emotional person. I cry a lot. I'm happy all the time. I'm sad also half the time. I have a lot of mood swings, so I am filled with emotions. Overfilled with emotions. It's here.
Your vlog feels genuine, so I assume you behave just like that in real life and not just do dumb stuff for vlogs.
I am the same person. I am on vlogs, and if you guys meet me ever in public, I'll still be the same. I won't show you guys, oh my god, look at them. No, I will say that. Look at them, they are my subscribers, and I'll still be the same. Yeah, correct. Same person.
You were a backbencher in school.
I was a front bencher because my height was very small, but my personality was absolutely like a backbencher. But my teachers used to hate me. Yeah. If you go now and say, do you even know Akshita? They'll be like, ew, that girl, you stop talking about her.
You are a mountain person.
I love beaches and I love mountains. I would say I love mountains a little more, but I even love going to beaches. I have been going to the mountains for the past 2 years, and I wanted a break. And COVID happened, so I couldn't go to the mountains, but I made sure I went to the beach and I fall in love with the beaches again. So I love both of them. I love everything. I love the nature, so I can go anywhere.
What do you love?
The nature.
What did you?
The Mother Earth.
No. What? How do you pronounce nature?
Nature.
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 Is it sure?
Sure.
Sure.
Next one. You are an alien.
Rhythm keeps telling me this all the time, that I'm alien. What if I'm actually an alien? Spidey, am I? Oh, he is an alien. I'm not an. He's a superhero. And I'm also a superhero for you guys because I bring smile to you. This is getting cringe.
Next one. That you like street food more than expensive restaurant food.
Oh my god. Expensive food gives you this quantity. I've not been to a lot of expensive places yet because of the quantity, and Zomato Pro is still not available there. I'm not able to eat street food because of my IBS, so I prefer eating food from good places now. The only thing I'm really connected to is Vada Pav, but even that is shut because of COVID. Go back, COVID.
You're soon gonna have a meetup in Mumbai, obviously after COVID.
This is not happening. I'm sorry to say, sorry to hurt your feeling, guys. What is a meetup? I would have a show where I bring my friends and we all chill. I don't want to do that meetup stuff on road. I'm like, grand person. Whatever I do is going to be grand. Okay. Meetup is that, right? Yeah? Indian meetups I've seen as meeting at Savaji Park or something like that. That I won't be doing. I will have a good show, which I would plan. After COVID, I don't think the meetup is going to happen. Sorry.
You know how to edit a YouTube video, your own YouTube video.
I do guys. Cut, copy, paste. The only difference is I take 8 hours to edit and Rhythm takes 2 hours to edit. And after watching that 8 hours, I basically go to the delete button. That means I don't know how to edit. Editing needs patience. Editing needs a focused mind. Editing needs determination. I don't have all 3 of them. If you give me to edit a video, I can edit a video. I can't make a thumbnail. Hand in hand. The answer I also don't know. So you keep assuming things for that.
Your parents don't know about you blogging and all the YouTube thing.
My dad, if you're watching the video, he's never going to watch the video. He knows about my YouTube thing. Let's rewind, okay? Let's rewind the stuff to 2017-18 when I purchased my camera. When I told them I'm serious about YouTube, no one believed me, okay? They thought everything is all fake and she's never gonna famous. My father is like, you don't need to spend 50,000 on your camera. I said, I am going to spend my savings. Still, he didn't like it. Now that I told him I'm monetized, you need to make more videos now. How the tables have turned. My dad is legit telling me to make more videos now that I'm monetized. And he was so cute. He opened my channel and he was like, oh wow, you're getting an ad. And then I remember, he was the one to tell me to not buy 2 of my cameras. And he was telling me to use his camera. But I was like, no, I'll get my own camera by my own money. Just I won't flex that I got my own money. Yeah. Just that he's asking me every now and then, how much have you earned by monetization? I'm like, no. That I'm not going to reveal to you. I'm just going to tell you that I'm owning.
I assume Rhythm is jealous of you. I don't know why, just have a feeling.
I wish he was jealous, to be very honest. That emotion is not there inside him. I am the jealous hoe. I am the jealous hoe, the FOMO hoe. And then people say I don't have emotions. Oh my god. Jealousy factor is in me. Tomorrow if Rhythm has 6,000 subscribers, I'm like, excuse me. I am leaving my job, focusing on my YouTube.
I assume that you don't cook.
Okay. Assuming I don't cook good food, I can cook. Not that lit Gordon Ramsay quality. I can cook. I've been cooking. Let me flex again. I am the only person in my friend group who's been cooking all the meals. I can cook good sandwiches. Now shit on you all if you say cook sandwiches is not cooking. Chapati doesn't come into cooking. I bring ready-made chapati. Sandwiches I can make good utappas, breakfast I can make. Then I can make ready-made rasoi magic. Shut the fuck up again. It's just the masala. You still need to cut white veggies. I've been cooking. I cook all my meals proudly, but sometimes I do hate it also because then my mind has to think what next. But I can cook. I am cooking actually. What I can cook?
You're an extrovert.
Yeah. One of my friends told me that if there's a extrovert scale, it's going to be 0 to them. And no one has crossed that scale. That kind of extrovert I am. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Before ending the video, I would like to give shout out. I like how I say I like to give shout out and then we shit on the comment and then we make it noticeable. Thanks to Shreyas saying that the guy in black tea actually has a great sense of humor. In science video, you think Sid was humorous. And Rhythm was such a show off, someone said that. But Shreyas, thank you for saying that because Sid is now on cloud 9. Just comment on my YouTube videos to be in the next shout out. Don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe because 70% of y'all have not subscribed. Free my content, we're not giving, okay? Getting monetized now, we need those bucks rolling. I want y'all to fatafat go click the red button and the bell as well, okay? So that you all get notified. If you all don't like, if I don't get 200 likes, if you all, I'll cry, but I still want 200 likes on this video. Will 200 people watch this till the end? If you're watching till the end, please, it's an honor. Let me know in the comments. Okay, bye.
Doing all this FaceTime, need some alone time, baby. You're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming, I just want the feeling.